Good day and welcome to an episode of David's Motor Vlogs. On today's episode, I'll be cruising into work because your boy gotta pay the bills to keep up this motorcycle addiction. But yeah, sure, that's the crack. I'm a little bit late for work today, so I'm gonna have to gun it. Sure, you know yourself. What can you do? What can you do? I need to loop my chain, which is a bit annoying because I'm not too familiar with adjusting and stuff like that, and every time I flippin' hell, come on, just go for it, brother. Every time I adjust it, I almost do it too tight or too loose, one of the two. I don't know the sweet spot, but I don't know, today it feels pretty nice. Let's see, is there a bus? No, there's not. Come on, brother. Fucking hell. Fucking wankers, like. Are they serious? Like. I think I was fucking coming around that van, like. Oh my god. Fucking imbeciles. Jesus, you need Jesus, because I can't see this in front of me. Oops, sorry bud. Why did they put them so close together? I keep hitting the horn today.